Full spools too?
Full spools, not even open yet. I was like,
Got him. Yes, sir. Nice little 2-pounder early in the morning on that OSP. I just wanted to take a moment to let you guys know about a product that I've been using recently. I recently quit vaping, and the Zin pouches were really not hitting the spot. They don't last very long, and they just don't hit the spot, I guess. So I've recently been using these ALP pouches. They are so much better. They come with 20 per pack, 3, 6, and 9 milligram options. And yeah, you can use my affiliate link, which is in the description, 10% off.